U.S. indices slightly higher as we wait for the FOMC. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100 has rallied just a little bit during the early hours on Wednesday, but at this point in time, we still have a bit of hesitation, which makes sense considering that we get an interest rate decision late in the day, and perhaps more importantly, we get that press conference. The market is currently bouncing around between 19,129 and 20,000. If we can recapture 20,000, then I think you have a shot at rallying pretty significantly. Breaking above the 200-day EMA then opens up a much bigger move to the upside. The Dow Jones 30 is quietly positive in the early hours, but it has to deal with the 42,000 level above to really get bullish. The 42,000 level also has the 200-day EMA sitting right there as well, so it's doubly important that we get above there before we start getting bullish. In the meantime, I think we're just kind of bouncing around, and most market participants are waiting on other people to lead the charge before they put money to work. The S&P 500 has rallied slightly as well as we continue to use the 5,600 level as a bit of a magnet for price. Above, we have the 200-day EMA at the 5,730 level, and if we can get above there, then we can really start to take off and recover. I do think that's coming sooner rather than later, but really at this point in time, what we need to see is Jerome Powell suggest that the Federal Reserve is going to start cutting rates. If we drop from here, the 5,500 level is your recent floor. Anything below there gets the S&P 500 dropping even further. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.